Make a great choice today with the 2024 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.